Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Jay. For today's video I have some samples that I wanted to test out. I've had these for a while from Sephora. Every time I buy online I like to get a couple of samples just to test out a couple of products, but I never actually get to use them because I leave them in a drawer and I just forget all about them. I'm gonna test them out. We'll see if they're worth buying like the full product for, but without further ado, let's jump right into this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. I do beauty and styling content, mostly getting into the natural side of beauty these days, but if you're into that, subscribe to my channel and let's get started. All right, let's get started. Like I said, we're gonna go into the complexion products because those are the only kind of samples that I have. So starting with this Guerlain Allure Base Tint. It's basically a primer and I believe it's pure 24 karat gold, which I'm kind of just like, how bougie to put this on my face. As soon as I saw it on Sephora as a sample, I was like, girl, let me pick this up with my bougie self. So I'm just gonna go into the Sephora app and check out the claims on this before we put it on and see how we are supposed to apply this product so we can give it a fair shot. This product is a lightweight gel primer infused with pure 24 karat gold flakes infused with skin hydration and radiance while allowing for a longer lasting makeup result. Basically, to sum that up, it's going to hydrate your skin while giving you a long-lasting effect on your foundation once you put that over, and to just even out fine lines and to tighten your skin basically is what I'm getting from this. This product retails for 85 Canadian dollars. Pretty friggin' pricey for a primer if you ask me, but the 24 karat gold is kind of intriguing. Oh, not too much. I don't want to waste it. I think I did too much. But outward in a circular motion. And you can already see like that glow. I already feel bougie. It's very cooling. It's a runny formula, but it's very gel-like once you apply it to the skin. Put that on my smile lines as well because it does says it smooths out the lines, and then like right up under my eyes if I possibly can. Don't want to waste this product. Oh, look at that piece of gold, girl. Like, are you supposed to dissolve into the skin? Like, it's just a chunk of gold. I don't know, maybe it's the 24 karat gold, but I feel very put together. I don't know, I feel good. Like, I look good and I feel good as well. I don't know if it's 24 karat gold talking, but it's nice. I like it. All right, so for foundation, I have here the McGrath Skin Fetish Sublime Perfection Foundation. I've been wanting to try this since it came out. I think 2 years ago it came out, but I'm terrible at shade matching, and when I did go for a shade match, I lost the sample. And it's $90, I believe this foundation is. Like I said, this foundation retails for $90. It is a long wearing customizable foundation that builds with from sheer to medium coverage and a wide range of universal hues that manifest the ultimate sublime skin standard. You're going to be radiant once you put this foundation on. It's going to smooth and blur out your pores and fine lines is what I'm understanding here, and any imperfections. So I think I'm going to use medium deep, which is this shade here, and this is the range that we got. If anything, I can mix it with the medium and see what happened. Oh shit, did I use this already? I think I went into this already to like swatch or something because I've already opened it. But this is what the color looks like. It might be a little too dark for me, but I think I'm gonna use a brush. I'm gonna use the Rare Beauty foundation brush. So I just put a couple of like dots here on the side. I don't know if you can see it, but that's medium deep 27, and I think it might be a little bit too dark. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up medium 18. So this color is medium 18 right here, and I think that would be a good mix with 27. It has like a little bit of like an olivey undertone to it, but I'm just gonna mix those two shades together and see what we get here. I'm not mad at it because all my, you know, pigments, not my pigments, but I feel like it evened out my skin tone, but like my beauty marks are still pulling through, which I really like, and they don't look ashy or anything. It looks very pretty. Yeah, this is what the skin looks like. I don't feel dry, I don't feel cakey, it doesn't feel like I'm wearing anything on my face. So I like that. Again, another $90. So what's our total at right now? Our next product is the Pretty Vulgar Undercover Lightweight Concealer. It looks like this. These are the sample colors that it comes with. I do have a full size of one of these products that I got from a BoxyCharm a while back. I wasn't a fan just because of the color that they sent me, but I guess we can try one of these. I'm going to use Middle Ground, which is this color here. So this is what the color looks like on the back of my hand. I think it might be a little bit too light, and it smells very painty. It smells like paint. No, it smells like nail polish. I'm not putting that near my eyes. And it's not old either. I got it like a couple months ago, so I don't know about that. I'm just gonna go ahead and use my regular products, my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in the color Tan, because I will not risk a breakout under my eye or an allergic reaction. No, thank you. The next sample product that we have here is the Tatcha Silk Powder. I've been wanting to try this for a while since it came out because I'm really interested in Tatcha products. But the price. But when Sephora had this as a sample, I had to pick it up. So it is a Radiant Translucent Setting Powder, universal for all skin tones. I'm going to use this brush from e.l.f. It's technically a highlighter brush, but I think it would be better for this powder. Oh, that's so cute. It's like a little like square. Oh shit. Drops the powder. Okay, but it looks like that. I can't really show you properly, but that's what it looks like. I'm just gonna put that under my eyes first. It smells like their rice powder exfoliator, which I really like. Even though it is translucent, I do wish powders came with like a darker shade, just so that like I can do it all over my face, because sometimes when you use a translucent powder over your face, it looks very Casper the Ghost, if you know what I mean. So I'm going to take this Too Faced powder brush and it's just a swirl, but it's not, it's going to fall out. Dust that off and just buff that over my face. Yeah, and if you're going to do samples with the powder, just give me a little tiny, it doesn't have to be a big or a lot of product, like a small little container, because it's hard to do it on a flat card and swirl it around. That is the powder done. It did not dull down the primer. The primer is still doing her thing. She clocked in and she's not clocking out until I say so. Like, the radiance is still here and I'm in love. I kind of look like I have a white cast in person. I don't know if you can tell on camera, probably my forehead area, but it is giving me like a white cast, and I'm gonna put some bronzer to help combat that because it's not it. Oh, I forgot I had this BareMinerals powder. I have the BareMinerals Performance Wear Powder Foundation, which is probably something I should have used over my face instead because it is colored, because it is a foundation, duh. And this is what it looks like on the inside. I think I might go over that and do that instead. So the BareMinerals Performance Wear Powder Foundation is 39 Canadian dollars. It is a pressed powder foundation with vitamins and minerals for skin, improving full coverage and a natural matte finish that lasts up to 12 hours. I'm just going to use this e.l.f. pointed powder brush for this, and I'm gonna take up the color Hazelnut and mix it with Coffee because this is too dark, and then this has too much of a neutral kind of like beigey undertone, so I'm just gonna mix the two together because this is like too red and a bit too dark for me. As far as the color goes, I can't really tell a difference putting it on, so I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. It didn't remove any of the product that I put underneath it. Everything is still intact. I still look and feel radiant AF. There's a bit of creasing I feel like going on under my eyes. Yeah, but that's what's been happening with concealers lately. I don't know what's going on with my eyes. Maybe it's because I'm getting older. I don't know. But yeah, this is what the base looks like. I'm pretty sure that's all the base products I have. I have a mascara that I need to find. But yeah, overall I'm looking very radiant, very hydrated. I don't feel dry at all, but I'm looking very healthy and a nice glow from within, so I'm here for that. I'm gonna apply this mascara from BareMinerals. I recently attended a virtual masterclass with Sephora for BareMinerals and I loved it. I learned so much about their products. Jessica from the BareMinerals team, she had applied this to her lashes and they looked so good. So this is what the wand looks like. It has this flat back and then you can also turn it as well to give you more separation and length into your brows, not your brows, your lashes, but also volumizing as well with this side of the brush, so you can really get up into your lashes. And I'm already seeing length. I like this. I would use this every single day, even like going out. This is really pretty. I feel like dainty with this mascara. I don't know what it is because it didn't like thicken up and clump up and make my lashes too dark and heavy. It gave it like the right amount of lift and it's so natural. So it's called the Strength and Length Serum-Infused Mascara. A vegan and cruelty-free mascara with fortifying plant-based serum that's shown to strengthen and enhance for longer looking lashes. Love it. I'm here for it. Vegan, cruelty-free. There's serum in there that if you continue to use this on a everyday basis, you can possibly see some lengthening and get some healthy lashes. So, you know, I might just do that. I might just have to put that to the test. So the last sample product that I have here is the BareMinerals Lip Gloss Balm in the color Sincerity. Love the name of it. This is the color. It's basically like a nice sheer gloss balm. And I've already applied lip liner. Oh, this smells so good. It smells like sour watermelon candy. I like that. This looks so good. I like that. Let's see what are the benefits, because you know BareMinerals with their skincare infused makeup products. A nourishing lip gloss and balm hybrid made with naturally derived fruit oils to provide glossy shine with the hydrating feel of a balm. Love it. So friends, this is the look that we got using sampled makeup products from Sephora. I might have to spend some money because this Guerlain, where's the packaging? Let's do a little speed review here. This product right here is going to take my money because she's still working. She is still here. I don't feel oily. I don't feel slick or dry. It's hydrating. She's pulling through. I'm gonna have to see what it's like under other foundations and under my everyday like makeup routine. I feel like this product would definitely be worth the $89, and because I don't wear makeup every single day, I think it'd be worth the money. I think it'd be worth it. So yeah, I would definitely buy this for sure. The Sublime Foundation I think is super pretty. I'm not too sure if it does build up to a medium coverage just because like once you get a sample you can't really like do too much with it, but I would definitely invest in a bigger bottle, like the full size for sure, and like the VIB Sephora sale or something. It does give you that like natural finish. It gives you the coverage that you need to get a natural, lightweight, everyday wear. I would definitely invest in a full bottle of this product for sure. This, it smells so bad that I didn't even bother to use it, but I can tell you right now from the one that I have, I don't like it. It's too like lightweight, and for under my eyes, I really do like creamy formula. This one isn't creamy from what I remember using, so this is not, this was a no-go for me. The Tatcha, I don't want to lift it up too much because the powder is going to fall out, but this Tatcha Silk powder, I could skip on it. I would not purchase the full size or even like a mini one. I don't really like how it looks under my eyes. Maybe for a full face, but even then I feel like it made me look like Casper a little bit, and I'm not really feeling it under my eyes, to be honest with you. So that one I would skip out on as well. There's other powders that I like to use for my face and under my eyes, so that one is a no-go for me. The BareMinerals Wear Powder Foundation, I would have to use this some more on other foundations and, you know, like by itself to see how it would actually wear. But I'll keep you guys updated on this. I'm still on the fence about it, not too sure, but I will definitely be playing around with this in the future. The BareMinerals mascara, this I would definitely use every single day because look at these lashes. They look so good, and even though it is like black, it's not as intense as a black mascara usually is. Like, they look hella natural, and I would definitely purchase the full size of this. I think this is like my new mascara now. Just look at the results. Look, and my eyes are popping. They are popping, and it's not even doing too much. I love it. It's so good. Last but not least is the Lip Gloss Balm. I would definitely put this in my purse right now to use every single day. It is so moisturizing. Let me know how you liked this video. Have you tried any of these products? Did you like them? Was it worth your coin? Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. I do more beauty and styling on this channel, so join the family, join the crew, let's be friends. Add me on Instagram, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.
Working on a weekend like usual, way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up.